Hello, guten Morgen, good morning, guten Tag, good afternoon, guten Abend, good evening, father, mother, brother, sister, sister, eine Vater, a father, eine Mutter, a mother, net, tall, coffee, milk, bread, Ich bin Mira. Der Name Major Mutter ist Ashwini. Der Name means waters is Shivaji. My school name is Cornell Memorial School. Each lane in Junior. My each lane in Junior. Each lane Marathi Thema. Choose